So my name is Felix Tenner. I'm with Schaeffler for 5 years and I'm the Vice President for Lifetime Solutions in the Americas.
And my name is Frank Mignano, Sales Manager for Schaeffler here in North America.
So Schaeffler is an industrial and automotive supplier with 87,000 employees globally, 78 plants, where we produce bearings for all the different industries like automotive, but also wind, rail, aircrafts, and everything which turns, in fact. We released the product in 2020 and we developed that during the pandemic, which is a remarkable approach because we only took 10 months from the first idea to actually go to market. Compared to other solutions, our OPTIME ecosystem is really consisting of multiple different solutions. It's not only a wireless vibration and temperature sensor, but also a wired multi-channel device and, which is I think the most important part, a smart lubricator which lubricates on demand, which all ties into the same ecosystem, the same gateway, the same cloud, the same app for the end user.
Congratulations, Schaeffler Group.
I think it was our enthusiasm for the product itself and how well it's being received in the market. And it was just a great opportunity to get recognition from such an organization about the product, the OPTIME ecosystem.
We really see the value of the system in the field. I mean, just a couple of weeks ago, we installed more than 1,000 sensors in only 3.5 days at the customer facility. We save customers millions of dollars a year. The system really proved its value. It's not only marketing, it's really tangible. We have customer success stories which we can relate to.
As far as OPTIME, it's a fabulous ecosystem. It's priced right, it's simple to deploy, yet powerful. And it's an ecosystem that we're going to continue to develop, adding electric monitoring and lubrication on demand, features that our customers are asking for.